Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. First, generate the Facebook Pixel. Access the Events Manager within your Facebook Ads account. Connect your data source and select Create a Pixel. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate your Facebook Pixel Shopify. Then, add Pixel ID to Shopify. The step-by-step guide to adding multiple pixels. First, identifying pixel needs for separate pixels. Identifying distinct areas or businesses necessitating separate pixel tracking is crucial. Assess which segments or brands with your Shopify store require individualized tracking for clearer insights. Step 2. Generating additional pixels. Access Facebook's Events Manager and create multiple pixels for the identified segments or businesses. Assign a unique name to each pixel for clear identification and association with its corresponding area. Step 3. Implementing pixel code in Shopify. Incorporate each pixel's unique code into the relevant section to your Shopify store. Ensure strategic placement based on the specific needs of the identified segments, allowing for precise tracking of each identity's performance. Step 4. Verifying pixel integration. Utilize browser extensions like the Facebook Pixel Helper to verify the correct firing and tracking or events for each pixel. This validation ensures accurate data collection and informs targeted marketing strategies for each segment. This systematic approach to adding multiple Facebook pixels within a Shopify store facilitates comprehensive and tailored tracking, enabling businesses to gain precise insight and refine marketing strategies for individual segments or brands effectively. Procedures for altering or deleting pixel integration. Access via Events Manager. Visit Facebook's Events Manager or Ads Manager, then locate the Pixel section. This section houses all pixels associated with your account, enabling modifications or deletions. Edit or delete specific pixels. Upon locating the pixels, select the one slated for alteration or deletion. For modification, choose the pixel and edit its details, such as the name or associated properties. To delete, follow the provided steps to remove the pixel entirely from your account. After making changes on Facebook Ads, ensure synchronization with your Shopify store. Access the theme editor or relevant sections within Shopify to update or remove the corresponding pixel code. Accurate implementation reflects the alterations made on Facebook, ensuring seamless integration. Modifying or removing Facebook Pixel Shopify demands synchronized adjustments between the platform settings and your Shopify store's code. Consistent updates guarantee that data tracking align accurately, minimizing discrepancies in data collection or ad targeting. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.